gonna get right into the video. Here I'm just putting on my foundation and also my concealer. Now I'm just putting some powder under my eyes. And before we get into the next step, make sure you subscribe to all my social media. Here I'm gonna contour my face, and I do use an eyeshadow palette, the darkest color, to contour my face. I'm gonna make sure that it's blended very well. Now I'm going back and I'm dusting off the powder that I had in the areas that I concealed. So of course everybody needs some blush, so now I'm just applying it on my cheekbones. Finally, we are getting to the eyes. So this is a white concealer that I'm putting on my eyes to make sure the color pops a little bit more. So I'm gonna blend that out a little bit, and we're gonna get started with the eyeshadow. Yay, eyeshadow! So I'm going to use 4 colors in the palette. We're gonna do like a autumn orangey color. And this is the James Charles palette, and as you can see with the colors, that I'm going to make sure they're well blended, and you're going to see what I'm doing with the other colors. So with the brown that I went in with, this is going to go all over my lid and make sure that it's blended out fairly well. Next in the palette, we're going to go with this bright orange. And this is also going to go all over the lid and make sure that it's blended, because this is going to be our base color. Now we're going to go in with this orangey red color, and this is going to go in the outer eye crease, and we're going to bring it up a little bit towards the inner eye. But not all the way to the inner eye, just in the middle of the eye. Finally, the last color that we're using is the red color, and this is going to go in the crease of the eye downward. So I'm going to the palette and going back to the first color we used, and we're going to apply a little bit more of that. Alright, so I finished what's it called, so you can see the transition between colors, and if you want to add more to make it more vibrant and everything, you can, or if you want to add less, you can. So I decided to add a little bit more, so I'm going to take this gold and I'm just going to put it in the inner corners of my eyes. And now we're all done with the James Charles palette. Now we are moving on to the eyeliner. I know you guys can't see quite well, but if you comment down below if you want to do a separate tutorial, and I can show you guys how to do that. So we are going to put on eyelashes, but now I'm just putting on mascara. We're going to go back to the eyelashes. So to make our eyes pop, I also do the colors that we used on the top lid on the bottom, as you can see what I'm doing here. And now you guys can see me struggle putting lashes on. So after putting on my lashes, I go over it with eyeliner, because you can sometimes still see the white residue from the glue. And I'm going to put mascara on my bottom eyelashes now. So go ahead and wipe my lips off, because we still have foundation when we did the foundation process, and put lip gloss on. And now I'm just going to do my hair and finish the process. By the looks of it, you can tell that we are all done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!